This is a brief overview of how to get started making money with the Direct Cellars compensation plan. Our aggressive and innovative compensation plan is designed to cater to the average person just getting started, but at the same time offering great rewards to seasoned professionals and those looking to make full-time money. We have multiple ways to earn. The first way to make immediate income is with our Fast Start bonuses, while the other three ways create steady weekly and long-term residual income. First, you will need to know how to get started in the Direct Cellars opportunity. Our first way is to enter is a Premium Wine Lover Elite for only $499, where you'll receive 12 bottles of our premium wine. In our $249 package, you'll receive 4 bottles of premium selected wines. These packages also make you active to earn in the compensation plan. As an active member, the first way to earn is our Fast Start bonuses, where you share the benefits of becoming a Premium Wine Lover Elite. You will earn a $250 Fast Start bonus. This happens every time you personally sponsor a new Premium Wine Lover Elite. The second way to earn is our Fast Start bonuses when you sponsor a new member with our $249 package. With this package, you will earn $125 Fast Start bonus. Again, this happens every time you personally sponsor a new Premium Wine Lover in our $249 package. There is no limit on how many customers or premium wine memberships you can sell. Besides, getting your business in the black by sponsoring 2 premium memberships, when you sponsor one on your left team and one on your right team, you will also be qualified to start earning revenue with our dual team pay. With our dual team pay, you'll begin to tap into the leverage of being paid from other people's efforts. As your sales teams grow, so does your earning potential, and you'll be paid on the sales volume created from all the new premium wine lovers on your sales team to unlimited depths. This is the power and excitement. With our dual team pay, you can earn up to 20% of the lesser leg volume every week. So in this example, your team has generated 5,000 sales volume on the left and 4,000 sales volume on the right. At the top of our plan, you will earn 20% of the 4,000 or $800. This happens every single week. Now that the Fast Start bonuses and weekly dual team pay get money coming into your business quickly, there is the Uni-Level 9 pay, where you start seeing the long-term residual of Direct Cellars compensation plan. As you move through the ranks, you can earn anywhere between 2% to 10% of all volume within the first 9 levels of your organization. This is paid monthly and can be very lucrative as your team grows. We have put a big incentive for you to share the benefits and the fun of Direct Cellars. When you reach the rank of Wine Lover in our compensation plan, you will earn a 10% check match on every member on your first level's dual team and uni-level pay. Continue to move through our ranks and you can earn a 5% check match on every member on your level 2, 4% match on every member on your level 3, and a 3% check match on every member on your level 4. The more you help others have fun and succeed, the bigger your check grows in return. Because Direct Cellars is a wine club, we know you'll be excited to share this experience with friends and family. As a loyalty reward, Direct Cellars has established a refer 3 people to the club using your member ID, and your next auto shipment is free for as long as they continue to be a member. This is the Refer 3 and it's free program. Now is the time to get in, get wine, and get social with Direct Cellars. Please contact your local representative or visit www.directcellars.com. This video was produced by Direct Cellars, not to be reproduced or distributed without the express consent of Direct Cellars, LLC.